We are live with Ricardo Salatino.
Yep.
He's the chief builder, right, of Blazin Rodz, which has a new show on YouTube and Roku, just started yesterday.
Yep.
How are you doing today?
Good. I mean, I'm happy to be here. I'm happy the cars are here. I mean, just seeing everyone's reaction to the cars has just been like unexplainable.
You've had two big builds. Let's start with the one right behind us.
Yep.
So this is Doughboy.
Yep.
This is the most amazing initial thing about it is that it has 2,800 horsepower.
Correct.
How?
So we have a 540 big block twin turbo, so it produces maximum about 2,800 horsepower. And if you don't want any boost, you got 1,000 horsepower. So that's the lowest it'll make is 1,000. Behind that, we have a 6XD sequential transmission. Behind that, powering that, it goes to a Ford 9-inch that we custom built, and it has Series 30s axles, which you would find like an Ultra 4. So it definitely has the power and can put the power down without breaking anything.
360 days, right?
360 days.
Builds?
Yeah.
How many man hours would you say?
We started October 29th last year, and we've worked every day since that day up until this past Saturday.
Were there times when you just wanted to throw it out the window, just drive it off a cliff?
Every day.
Okay.
Every day was every day was a battle with this. It's part of the process, though. This is why we do it. We hate it, but we enjoy it at the same time. Just being able to overcome obstacles and figuring things out together as a team. You get this result at the end.
What are you most proud of this vehicle?
I would say the best thing for this vehicle, what I'm most proud of, is that it's here. Okay. It made it,
yeah.
And that we did it in a year. It's a big thing for us that we overcame as a team, and we are a new shop that's been put together. I've been building cars for several years, but under this new growth of a company, it's just amazing that we were able to pull this off.
Okay, let's talk about you for a minute.
Yeah.
So Ricardo, where were you born and why do you build cars?
Oh.
Busy
Thank you. One more time.
Where were you born and why do you build cars?
So I was born in Whittier, California, and I started building cars because I just enjoyed them. In high school, I took that like the auto shop class, and from there I knew there was something there. I knew I had a passion for that. I just enjoyed figuring out new things, how to make things work with the car, and coming up with different ideas, and it just evolved from there. So I'm like, okay, I'm gonna go get knowledge from, I'm gonna go work somewhere where I can pull up all this knowledge and figure things out. So I worked at several different shops to learn, more in depth on the process, and just meeting new people and being able to evolve into what we are today.
You have a lot of 3D printed parts on these things that use a lot of 3D scanning. In your opinion, how much talent does it take to be good at 3D scanning and printing for car building?
So a lot of people think that you can just, all right, I'm going to scan it, design it, 3D print it, right? Like, oh, you're taking the, I would say you're taking the easy way. It's not. Instead of building it on the car, you have to build it on the computer. You still need style. You still have to have style. You have to have talent. It's just everything you're doing by hand, you have to do it in the computer. So if you don't have those style points and you don't have that drive to make something great, it's not going to work. So it still takes a lot of work to do that.
Okay. Last question. So you're sort of entering this world of reality TV. How has that changed you?
To be honest, our show aired yesterday, came out yesterday. I was super excited about that. I'm not sure what it's going to bring. We're just excited that we're able to have that opportunity as a shop. Like me, I grew up watching these car shows. And it's like now to be that person, it's just it's kind of mind blowing to me. And we're all excited to do it. And it's a great feeling to be able to turn the TV on and you're like, whoa, that's me there. It's awesome.
Thanks so much for your time.
Awesome. I really appreciate it.
Really appreciate it.
Thank you.
And best of luck.